Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Be Your Webmaster. I am Sandrine, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to set up your webmail, which is the email that is linked to your website, and we're going to set that up on your Mac device, so the iPhone or the iPad, and also on your laptop or on your computer. So before we get onto the setup part of this video, I really want to make sure you guys understand what your webmail is. So this video is going to work for anyone that has a website and then that has an email with the website domain name in it. So I'm going to break it down so you guys really understand. So if your email is your name at yahoo.com, in this case, your webmail is Yahoo. And then when we come into your email, that's going to be your name at yourwebsite.com. Then your webmail is going to be your host. So the way you can have those information is either you should have them already from your webmaster when your website was created. Otherwise, you can always ask for your webmail information. And also on some platform, you might have to go on the control panel of the platform that you use. And then from there, you'll be able to send yourself an email that's going to have all those webmail information. So now to get onto the setup part of your webmail, what we're going to need is this email that comes, like I said, either from your webmaster or from your control panel. And this example that I'm going to show you, it's a test email that I've created on my website. And this one comes, as you can see here, on top at the control panel at my website.nz. So this is a template. If you look through, you can see you've got a lot of information. So we have the manual settings and the calendar contact manual settings down here. So this part, we're not going to focus about it today because everyone will have a lot of different information they're going to have on their website that they can transfer. So on this setup, everyone is different, whatever platform you're using. But what we're going to focus on today is this mail client manual setting information. So what I would recommend you today to do is to copy paste those information here and save them somewhere, copy paste on a desktop or on a page on the desktop, and we can have them handy for the next part of the video. So all we're going to need to do now to do the right setup is open your mail on your computer. So when you open it, you can see on the top screen on the left, you're going to have this button mail. So you're going to hover over it, and then you're going to see this button saying add account. So when you add an account, it's going to take you to this page, and it's going to ask you to choose a mail account provider. So in your case, it's going to be another mail account. So we're going to click here, select, and then we're going to press continue. Once you press continue, it's going to take you to this page and ask you to add your mail account. So for this, you might have some information already there, like I do. Otherwise, you're just going to have to enter them. Make sure you enter your email address correctly and that you have the correct password as well. So once this is all done and you have the right information, we're going to press sign in. So that might take a minute or two. And then we're going to have a look through here at the information we're going to have to enter. So you make sure you can check here that your email is correct. You don't have to do nothing with the password because it's copied from the previous page. The account type is going to be shown on your email. The incoming mail server and the outgoing mail server is going to be shown on your email as well. So you're going to have to enter all those details. And then when it's all done, you're just going to click sign in. So once you've pressed sign in, it's going to take you to a page where you will have options if you want to import any other information that are linked with your website. So everyone here is going to be different. And then all you have to do is select or unselect them and click done. And that's it. So if you want to set up your webmail onto your iPhone or onto your iPad, it's going to be exactly the same, apart from the start, when you're going to have to open your phone and go onto settings. And when you're onto setting, you're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to have this app button. You're going to go on the apps and then you're going to search for mail. So we search for mail and that is your mail tab. So we're going to select it. And here we're going to go under mail accounts. You're going to go here. You'll have all your mail accounts that are listed on your phone. And then we're going to do add account. So when you do add account, it's going to take you to this page that is exactly the same as we did before. So you're going to go other, and then you'll go through add mail account on top. And then you'll proceed to filling up all the information exactly the same way that we did before. I hope it works really well for everyone. If it doesn't, or if you have any question, please let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. So this is it. This is how to set up your webmail onto your Mac, iPad, and iPhone. So thank you very much for watching, especially if you've made it to the end. Well done. And I'll see you next time on the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.